Today we're going to be talking about wrenches. So here we have my nice gear wrench set. Regular, standard, regular. This is standard and metric. And then we have my stubbies. Okay, so on the metric we have 6 millimeter all the way up to 17, and then we have 1/4 inch all the way up to 13/16, and then standards on metric, standard stubbies we have 5/16 all the way up to 5/8, and then we have 15 millimeter all the way to 10 millimeter. Okay, so on this set, there are nice wrenches. Ratcheting, ratcheting, and opening, boxed in, and the ratcheting. Sorry, I said that 3 times, my bad. And so today, we're going to talk about all the different wrenches. So these are ratcheting. Then right here we have the regular wrench that you would find in a standard tool box. Open end, box end, 12-point non-ratcheting. Now the difference between this wrench, I'm sorry it's small, it's the only 6-point I can find that was small. The box end is 6-pointed for a 6-point bolt, but if you go and you find a 12-point bolt on the inside of an engine, and you go and you try to loosen it with a 6-point, you will round it. But you can loosen up a 12-point on a 6-point. It's just not that good. You'll get some grip, but you won't fit as good. And then we have one more. We have the flare nut wrenches. Let me have a bigger one. Flare nut wrenches, which have contact on each side. Let me grab it here. Only contact on 2 sides, but these have contacts on all sizes of the things, so you can get grip on this bolt. So I go and I slip it on this bolt, and you see it makes contact with all sizes, and then you can loosen up that bolt better. Now, if I go and I grab this regular wrench, that wrench is too small. Sorry about that. It only makes contact with 2 sides and we'll lose grip. And I'll show you a better demonstration. I'll hold this bolt with these pliers so I can get grip, so I can loosen this. I'll hold this and see. We'll make contact with all 4 sides, and then I can loosen it. But tighten this down really tight, and if I just go and try to loosen it with this regular one, that's too small. I'm sorry, I keep grabbing it too small. I can loosen it, but there's not enough grip. There's not that much grip. We're gonna tighten this all the way, as far as I can. See, if I go and I loosen up this with this, there's only that contact on 2 sides. So it's really hard to break that bolt free. It's not free, I mean. The only contact the 2 sides, see? I'm sorry, I don't have that much grip on it, like these pliers, so I'll grab big pliers. Move charger. I'm sorry, my desk is real messy, guys. And I go, I'm sorry guys, I'm kind of sick. And I grab the flare nut we have, well, if I can get it on the bolt, I'm sorry. I can break it free really easily without losing grip with all 4 sides of grip on a flare nut. Now they do make flare nut fasteners, I'm pretty sure. That's what you need these for. And that's basically all that we have today.